Okay, exercise 24, our widening groove and feather. We're going to draw our two solid pieces first. We're going to go rectangle, 40 tall, 140 wide. Finish that sketch. We're going to extrude him out 250. There he is there. I'm going to jump into my body. I'm going to say move or copy. I'm going to hit translate. I'm going to create a copy. I'm just going to drag him straight out this way, 140 millimeters, and click OK. There are my two pieces exactly the same. I can then go and draw in my feather. So I'm going to my sketch on the end here. I'm going to use the center rectangle tool this time. Now there's my center line, but if I come down, there is the middle. So when it says the little triangle symbol there, that's the middle of that line. So I can come off the middle, 12, and I think the other dimension says 48. We're going to finish that sketch. We're going to choose that rectangle. We're going to extrude him all the way back. So we're going to say to object and choose the back side. Now it's automatically choosing to cut that out because I have a shape drawn on a solid shape. I actually want to make it a new body and click OK. Now if I go into body 3, which is the one we've just drawn, and change the color, so right click appearance, change the color to a darker color. It's a bit hard to drag him onto there. So I'm just going to drag him up to body 3 here. You can sort of see it's a bit funny because everything's overlapping. So we have to use our combine function to cut out the shapes. So we want to cut this piece using body number 3. It's a cut and we want to keep our tools. We're going to do the same where we're cutting body 2 using body 3. And there we go. Now if I turn off body 3, it's cut our slots there. I can see exactly what this piece of wood will look like. Or I can see what my feather looks like. I've got lots of options there. And the beauty of doing it this way is that if I decided to change my dimensions and say, oh, I actually want this 85 by 19. When I finish that sketch, it actually updates everything. So now my slots are the right size and bigger, and it automatically updates. So it's a really good and efficient method of drawing out your wood joints because you only have to draw half of them, and they can update themselves if we change dimensions later.